I spent a week trying to find this glitch method that got me 5k a day on Snapchat ads. Christmas is coming up, so I had to find a way to scale that level. And you guys don't understand the kind of low CPC cost per clicks I got from this glitch strategy. You're gonna love it, and let's get through it straight away. Also guys, don't forget to check my Discord with new glitch methods that we release every single week before we obviously upload on YouTube. Check it out. Boom. Just to show you 143k in just a month and a half just using this method. Wow, guys, you will be shocked just to see how easy this actually is. But yeah, let's go through the method of how I did this, show you how the campaigns are set up from scratch, and you can do the same. Let's go. So you go to Snapchat Ads Manager right now, and first you obviously got to create a pixel. So you go to the pixel section over here, create a new pixel, connect it to your Shopify store. That's easy, simple. Now, next thing you have to do is go to create campaign, and just start off from fresh. Now, website conversions, click on that. And then all you have to do, this campaign is going to be a testing campaign for your interest, all right? And what's going to happen is, before we also go to the scaling 5k a day campaign setup, we will have a 1 day just to separately test out which ad set will work. And this is the testing campaign that we're going to do first, and then obviously explain later how the scaling works after that. But yeah, so just testing campaign, you know, for interest. Yeah, just write it quickly there. But yeah, now do next day, 19th. You know, obviously do the next day, and do it from 6 a.m. A lot of people just do it from you know, start off 12 a.m. but yeah, what's the point? You know, when people are just waking up you know, at such a later time, what's the point? They're not gonna buy. So yeah, press next. And what's gonna happen is, in the budget, people are gonna ask me, you know, which one is the best budget. I always do $20 on in testing campaigns. Well, you have to do it as low as possible. Now press auto bid. Now this is the thing, this is a little trick here. Now a lot of people saying like, oh my god, I gotta go from clicks to, you know, obviously get a lot of clicks and add to cost to get the pixel purchase unlocked over here. If yours is not unlocked, all you have to do, guys, is create 15 fake orders on your Shopify store while your pixel is connected. So if you can even get, like, for example, if I go here on Google, you can pretty much even make like 15 draft orders. You can go on YouTube to search up how to create draft orders on Shopify. Just basically trick the system as if you got 15 orders. Once you go past the 15 orders on Snapchat ads on a pixel, all of these will get unlocked. So yeah, for this glitch method to work, you need to have that pixel purchase. So unlock everything first and then get the pixel purchase. So 15 fake orders, you can have like £1 product on there and then buy 15 times. You know, that's another thing you can do. But yeah, you need to have this purchase unlocked. Because I have a new account I'm just using for this video, you know, that's why it's not showing you. But yeah, you have to have pixel purchase. Next, all you have to do, guys, leave that what it is, leave that United States, which works better for me as well. You could do UK as well. These two countries are really good. Now do 18 plus, very important. And now this is where the interest you can add in. So this is where you can pretty much just click on one, okay, one of the interests that's related to your product. Now you can just click on like that, and then boom, there's nothing else. You don't have to change too much. But yeah, you're gonna have 5 ad sets in this campaign with 5 different interests. So yeah, one of the ad sets out here, which I'm creating right now, is one interest. So remember that, guys. And then boom, everything else is cool. And obviously you can write over here the interest that you just picked, so you know which interest that does well later on. But yeah, let's go to the next page. You need to have the best creative for your product for this to work, this method. So what I usually do is like, I pretty much make loads of videos of the product, and you know, pretty much see which one has the highest CTR, which video has the highest engagement. And obviously that takes a lot of time because I'm testing out a lot of products. So what I do personally is, you know, I just go to this website over here called viralecomads.com, and I pretty much have a VIP access, so I pretty much get 70% off. But yeah, once you've done that, just press review and publish, and let's just go back to where it is now, the campaign setup. All right, now all you have to do, guys, so if you go to the ad set section, it will come up as one ad set of the interest. Now you have to pretty much duplicate this ad set. It will come up as clone with your button over here, clone it 4 times. So in total you'll have 5 ad sets. Okay, only thing you have to change now is each of those ad sets, you need to have 5 different interests. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta change. It'll be $20 ABO, 5 different interests. That's it. Now leave it on for a day. Pretty much the next day, all you have to do is pretty much see which interest gets you the most sales. Now for example, one of the ad sets gets you like 5 sales, for example. Right now, that's a winning interest. It's making you profit. Now how do I scale it now? Because you only spent $20. Now, all you have to do, guys, I think I've written it down for you guys as well, just to help you understand. Now, you have to make 50 campaigns. 50, all right, 50 campaigns in a $20 budget. Each campaign will be one ad set, remember, guys, of the winning interest. And that's it, guys. You're gonna be spending like $1,000, £1,000 a day, and that's what I pretty much do. And it gets me like 4 to 5, sometimes 6 ROAS. It's insane. You know, it'll get you some good numbers. But yeah, the thing you have to do now, for example, if you have like 50 campaigns running now with the one interest has been doing really well, now you have to wake up in the like morning 10-11 a.m. monitor the ads. Now you got to see which of the campaigns out of the 50 campaigns are working. And what I do is you know, once I see, when I wake up in the morning and see which campaigns have got the sales and which campaign does not have the sales, I'll pretty much turn off the campaigns that are doing crap. And that's what you gotta do, guys. And also, I just pretty much canceling all the campaigns that are doing rubbish, keeping the campaigns on that are doing good. And yeah, that's it. And then after that, you know, those performances, they are very consistent throughout the day. They don't change. And then obviously later on, more sales do come. So yeah, that's all you gotta do, guys. This is one of the best, very consistent glitch methods I personally use. They are like really, if you want to go beyond this, in my Discord below, you know, we go to like 10 to 15Ks a day if you want to go to that level. And you know, we release more unreleased stuff in the Discord as well of these glitch methods. But yeah, if you need any more help, any more guidance, you know, obviously with TikTok ads as well, just message me, comment below, and I'll help you out. Hopefully you guys love the video. More glitch methods coming soon. Peace out.